Hello everyone, this video will be slightly different than the other videos. MJJC contacted me to review their new Foam Cannon Pro. But I do want to make clear that I'm not being paid for this, so this is my own opinion. And now let's go over to the unboxing. So, what's in the box? As you can see, the packaging is not too big and is covered with pictures and information on how to use it. So let's open the box together. First on top we have a paper with the explanation. We also have two bags, one with a tube with a weight on the end. In the other bag is a connector that you can choose yourself depending on the model of your pressure washer. Then we have the bottle. Finally, the head unit. You also get a small top, but I personally don't use it. You can simply connect the tube to the head unit. As you can see, it is very easy to connect everything. And you can get started with your new Foam Cannon Pro. Now we will look at the differences between the old model and the new one. One of the problems I had with the old one was the fact that it easily falls when putting it down. As you can see, it only takes a small push to fall over. So the advantage the new model has is the broad bottom. It is more stable. As you can see, it didn't fall over. And the new one also have finger grips, which make it easier to control to open and close the foam cannon. Okay, so if we look at the new one, if I turn it around, it doesn't lose any water. But if we look at the old one, you can see that the water will come out. With the black part, you can set the width of the flow of your snow foam. The red part, on the other hand, sets the direction of your flow. You can choose if you want it to be horizontal or vertical. And with the last part here, you can set the ratio water-soap. Here I show you the result of the quality foam that comes out of the cannon. As you can see, the foam is really thick. Again, you can choose the width and decide if you want to spray vertically or horizontally. Here you can see the difference of the soap quality between the old model and the new one. As you can see, the new model doesn't fall over that easily. Moreover, you can connect the cannon directly to the shotgun or to the long lens. Because the cannon produces good thick foam, the dirt drips down in a good way. Finally, the rinsing of the foam is also very smooth. So, To sum everything up, the benefits are large bottom so it doesn't fall over, large opening at the top because it makes it easy to fill and clean, the fact that you can adjust the width and the choice between horizontal and vertical flow, the fact that you can adjust the width and the choice between horizontal and vertical flow, the cannon doesn't run when you turn it around, and you can connect it to all your equipment. One disadvantage, however, is that it is more difficult to store the foam cannon compared to the previous model. This is due to the large bottom of the bottle, but this is also the only disadvantage I've had with this foam cannon. And it is also quite easy to solve. This was the video, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.